What is up, Web3 crew? Krista Tumans right here at event of Tico, and I am with Mr. Archer. He's actually big in the crypto space. I mean, in the Web3 space in the Philippines. How are you today?
I'm doing good. It's very fun to be here at Dubai, and the community is just here and growing. And let's dominate this year for 2025.
Let's talk about your journey about Web3.
I started when Axie began. I went, in a sense, global in terms of shoutcasting for Axie. And from Axie, I developed in working with multiple brands, Fantico, Illuvium, and 30 plus more Web3 games. And I've been the social media force in terms of making content for the Philippines to make the Filipinos more aware of how Web3 is gonna change the future of gaming.
Okay, do you have any piece of advice on our Filipinos who's not even familiar about Web3 space?
Alright, for Web3, it's something really interesting because you get ownership, you get a say on what happens in the game, and it's something that's really revolutionary that you should check out. And it looks intimidating, it sounds complicated, but if you get the right people around you, ask the right questions, it's one of the greatest ventures that you can tackle this 2025.
Baka meron kang gustong i-promote.
For now, I'm just happy to be here for Fantico, and you can check out all of my socials at Archer Perez. I am the TikTok Creator of the Year. I promote Web3 games, and also I'm a Red Bull content partner. So,
So
yeah.
hanggang kailan kayo magsistay sa Dubai?
Hanggang tomorrow na lang, pero nasulit na namin. We've been here for almost a week and a half, so we're enjoying it. And ito na yung hammer to the nail, the banger to end it all off. So, yeah.
What do you think is the future of money?
Crypto, in a heartbeat, it's gonna change the world. Yeah.
Speaking of crypto, ito lagi ko itong tinatanong sa mga ini-interview ko eh. You're in the crypto space, ilang taon na?
Me being in the crypto space, almost 4 or 5 years. 4 or 5 years.
5 years. So sa 5 years na yon, for sure may Bitcoin ka.
Yeah, pero right now I've been playing with the meme coins, so the altcoin.
Okay, the question, how many Bitcoins do you have?
Secret, I can't disclose. Lalo na gumagana. Secret tayo dyan.
Thank you so much. More to come all here at FOMO, the future of money. Patingin nga ng Bitcoin.